STEM event just for the local community that is sponsored by Discovery Education and Google. So our main goal is to just let kids explore STEM and show them all of the cool things that they can do at school, at home, and ways that STEM can impact their lives.
And we are welcoming everyone here today to learn a little bit about us at our data center. And as Discovery is having all of these activities and events for you today, for you to learn something, a little bit of something about STEM, and hopefully be creative in this whole environment.
We are talking to our future Googlers and educators about what we do here at Google, which is machine learning, AI, storage, everything that they want to know about a data center.
We bring families in from the community, and we offer them an opportunity to have activities in STEM and the opportunity to have a day with their families and have some fun.
So throughout the entire school, there's different stations they can go to. There's some different car racing, and they can build towers out of marshmallows. So there's all sorts of fun, interactive ways that kids can learn more about STEM.
In 3, 0, 0, 9.
One of the things that interested me mostly about this event and the fact that it was Google sponsored was a focus on STEM and having a history with our education of our own children. We were very much excited about being a part of an event like this that supported STEM activities and STEM education. The total interest about someone from Google talking to them on a very personal level, from very simple questions to just understand almost the magical aspects of what Google can provide to our community.
I would love to let kids know that, honestly, that data centers exist. I mean, who really knows where the internet comes from as a kid, you know? It's just something magical in the sky, it seems like. So it's cool to show kids that this is a building, this is where people work, and we are working literally 24/7 to ensure that you can watch your cool cat videos on YouTube, and that you can be working on Google Classroom, and that we are behind the scenes working to make sure that you are able to learn.
I think a lot of children are hands-on. I think because of their approach we're taking with the hands-on learning, and they're actually able to play with them, feel them, get to know the different things, talking to the different people at the different stations, I think it's very impactful.
I would like them to think that Google can help provide them a source and a place to get the information they need to grow and become the kind of person they want to. It's an encyclopedia of information that Google can have access to, and for them it's a first stop in that journey.